In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Snowflake version. It's a pretty straightforward process, and by following these steps closely, you'll be able to find the version you're running in no time. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Snowflake account using the classic UI. This is the interface where you'll be making the query to check your version. To do this, simply head over to your browser and enter the URL for your Snowflake account's classic UI. If you're not sure what that URL might be, it's typically provided during your Snowflake account setup. Once you've landed on the login page, enter your username and password to gain access to your account. Remember, ensuring that your login details remain confidential is crucial for maintaining your account's security. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll need to open a worksheet to run your query. In the classic UI, look towards the top navigation bar and click on the Worksheets tab. This will take you to where all your database worksheets are housed. If you find that there isn't an open worksheet available, just click on the plus sign. It's typically indicated by a plus. This will create a new worksheet for you to work in, providing a blank slate to run your commands. Now, with your worksheet ready, it's time to execute the version check query. In the worksheet editor, you'll want to type the following SQL command: select current version. This command is designed to retrieve the current version of your Snowflake environment. Once you've typed the command correctly, you'll need to run it. If you're using a Windows system, pressing Ctrl and Enter simultaneously will do the trick. For those on a Mac, use CMD and Enter instead to execute the command. After running the query, your results will appear in the lower part of the worksheet interface, right in the results pane. Here, you should see a result that looks something like current version, followed by a series of numbers and dots, such as 8.3.2. This sequence is your Snowflake version number, indicating the specific release of the software you're currently working with. And there you have it. Checking your Snowflake version is as simple as logging into your account, opening a worksheet, running the right query, and reading the result. Keeping track of your Snowflake version is not only beneficial for staying up to date with the latest features, but also for ensuring compatibility with integrations or documentation. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.